Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show us two ways to export our Excel data to the SharePoint. Let's get started. Now the SharePoint allows us to store, organize, to share and access our information from any device. So it's a great tool to collaborate. So let's see our working example. We have this ideas tool workbook which we actually want to export to the SharePoint, and there are four sheet tabs with data in them. Now before we do the exporting, let's come to my SharePoint. Now this is my SharePoint, okay, and you can see under the document I have no files here. So let's go back to Excel and export. Now I'm going to use my shortcut, so press on my keyboard Alt F for file, and I'm going to press A for save as, and S2 which is for my SharePoint, and Y2. So I have this. Now I actually want to save under documents, so I click on that and hit the save button. Of course I need to be connected to internet, and the SharePoint is actually available to Office 365 business subscriptions. Okay, it is fully saved to the SharePoint. We can see ideas to saved, and the autosave button is now on. So let's go back, Alt Tab. Can you see we have the data fully exported to the SharePoint? This is absolutely cool. So it was done in a few seconds ago. Now that's the first method. Let's see the second method. Go back to the same Excel workbook. Now the second method allows us to export a table to the SharePoint. Okay, now this data is actually in a range, so I can't in any way export it to the SharePoint list. So I need to actually format it in an Excel table. So I formatted this section of data in an Excel table. So we have the table design, contextual ribbon tab, and the name of the table. So what I need to do in the external table data, see the export button, I click on that, and we have the export table to SharePoint list, so I click on that. So I need to provide in the step 1 of 2 of the export table to SharePoint list dialog box my address, so I have that in my Word here. So let's copy this, Control C, then Control V to paste. Now I'm going to just use this alone. Now I need to provide a name for my table, which I must remember. So I'm going to just call it, sample underscore data, and I click on next. Okay. Now in the step 2 of 2, we have the columns, which are 3: account manager states and total, and the data types, text, which is this, and the number. So I click on finish. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and give it a like. So we have this, the dialog box. The table was successfully published, exported, and may be viewed on this my address. So I click on OK. Now let's go back to our SharePoint. Oops. Okay. Now we are not going to see the table here. Okay, so I need to click on the site contents. Okay, this moment, and we can see the table. Can you see sample underscore data? So when I click on it, it will be open in Excel on the web, and we can see the tables 1, 2, 3. This is absolutely cool. So let me give us a bonus method to actually upload our data to the SharePoint. So I have this Excel workbook to upload. So I come to the SharePoint under my documents. So I'm going to see the upload button just at the top here. So we have the upload. So click on that, and I click on the, of course I can even upload a folder, but it's just file. So click on files, and it will browse to where it's located. It's under my pictures. Okay, we have the percentage workbook. Then can you see uploading one item? Wow, it's not available, so we've uploaded it. So these are the ways to export our data to the SharePoint. So in the next video, I'm going to show us two ways also to import to Excel. And thank you for watching my video. Bye for now.